Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today I'll show you how I kept my Apple Watch at battery health maintaining at 100%, though I have 16 months still. This particular Apple Watch was purchased from Indian retail market. Okay, so see over here, first I'll show you the battery status. So I have to go to the settings. Okay, here it is the I have to go to the settings. Here it is the settings, and over here I'll go to the battery section, and over here the battery health. See, the battery is still maintaining is maximum capacity 100%. Okay, so now I'll talk about how I keep this battery of my Apple Watch, which was purchased on October 2023, and today the date is for 18th of March 2025. Okay, so on this date I am still keeping my Apple Watch Series 9 battery at its maximum health, that means 100%. It is still maintaining, and let us see what is the Apple Watch version over here. So the Apple Watch version is Series 9 GPS, which is a aluminium version. Okay, and the watchOS version is 11.3.1 22S560. Okay, so this is my detail of this particular Apple Watch which I am using right here right now. So the thing is that the secret is that to maintaining this particular health of 100%, though already 16 months I have used, is that as per Apple you have to charge this particular battery at minimum of 20% to maximum of 80%. That means while the battery is remaining 20%, then you have to put back on its charger, and when it reaches to 80%, then you have to put off the charger. Okay, so that is the secret. As per Apple, I am maintaining that particular thing, and till date this particular battery is showing 100% and no decay in the maximum capacity of the battery health, and that is the secret I am maintaining from day one. And right now it is already 16 months have been passed, and also the thing is that this particular Apple Watch is maintaining its maximum health or maximum things at its best, and still today it is giving the performance like every sensor installed in it working very fine, just like a branded new. But the only thing is that there are some scratches, physical scratches has been done. As per my usages, there are some 1 2 small scratches are there, and without these scratches this particular smartwatch is working very fine, and till date no issues found out. Okay, so in the battery health position, if you want to retain the battery as new or as 100% battery health, you must maintain that 20% to 80% game, that 20% to 80% rule, otherwise the battery may decay. Okay, so I am maintaining 100% health is like that. I am always charge while, and whenever it is getting less than 20%, I switch it off and keep it on charging, and if the charger is not available I don't use it, and whenever it is reaching 79% or around 80%, I mindfully go there and keep it off the charger. Okay, so that is the secret I am maintaining for my Apple watch series 9, but this particular phone of iPhone 12, which is paired with this particular iWatch iPhone 12, it is okay, 128 GB version, I could not maintain till date, as it was purchased when it was available in the Indian market long back, most probably on 2021 at the time of Diwali. Okay, so it is, this particular battery is now requiring some servicing, and it is having some 78% battery health remaining. I'll show you over here. And as this particular phone I could not maintain so much, as it was my first Apple product I was using, so I could not retain this particular battery health to its 100%. Now it is showing 77% only, and it is requiring some service as per Apple. Okay, so the battery health and charging, it is service. So whatsoever, this is the today's my experience I am sharing over here. If you like this video, you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like the videos. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for your time.